You've meticulously crafted to-do lists, color-coded every task, and set deadlines that would make a cyborg blush. Yet, somehow, your projects still feel like they're swimming in molasses. This might not be a you problem. Maybe the problem lies with your project management tool. Asana, once the golden child of organization, might be holding you back. Don't get me wrong, Asana's a powerhouse. But like that perfectly tailored suit, it looks amazing on some, yet feels constricting on others. The question is, are there better options out there? Buckle up, because we're diving into the world of Asana alternatives. The Asana allure and its shortcomings. Let's face it, Asana does a lot of things right. Its clean interface, intuitive task management, and robust team collaboration features have made it a go-to for many. You can create projects, assign tasks, set dependencies, and track progress with ease. However, as your needs evolve, Asana's limitations can become apparent. Limited customization. Asana offers some customization, but it can feel rigid compared to more flexible tools. Pricing pinch. The free plan is great for small teams, but as you scale, costs increase rapidly. Feature fatigue. Asana packs a lot of features which can be overwhelming for simple project needs. Contenders for the Asana crown. So what are your options? Here are 3 project management tools that might dethrone Asana for you. Trello, the visual meister. Trello is the king of visual organization. Think sticky notes on a digital whiteboard. It uses boards, lists, and cards to represent projects, tasks, and subtasks. Trello shines for simplicity. It's incredibly easy to learn and use, making it perfect for visual learners and small teams. Flexibility. You can customize boards however you like, with power-ups for additional functionalities. Free forever. The free plan is surprisingly generous, making it a budget-friendly option. However, Trello might not be ideal for large teams. Managing complex projects with numerous collaborators can get messy on a single board. Reporting. While it offers basic reporting, it lacks the in-depth analytics of some competitors. ClickUp, the all-in-one juggernaut. ClickUp is the ambitious kid in the project management class. It aims to be everything to everyone, offering features like tasks, calendars, docs, chat, and goals, all in one place. ClickUp excels in consolidation. It eliminates the need for multiple tools, streamlining workflows and reducing context switching. Customization. ClickUp lets you tailor everything from views to automations, giving you ultimate control. Scalability. It caters to small teams and large enterprises alike, with plans to suit diverse needs. But ClickUp might not be your cup of tea if learning curve. The sheer number of features can be overwhelming for beginners. Interface clutter. With so much functionality, the interface can feel cluttered at times. Notion. The jack of all trades. Notion isn't just a project management tool. It's a workspace chameleon. It allows you to create databases, wikis, notes, Kanban boards, and more, all under one roof. Notion stands out for versatility. Notion caters to a wide range of project management styles and personal organization needs. Content creation. The built-in writing and editing tools make it a dream for content creation workflows. Free plan with punch. The free plan offers a surprising amount of functionality, making it perfect for freelancers and solopreneurs. However, Notion might not be ideal for team collaboration. While it allows collaboration, it doesn't have the robust team features of dedicated project management tools. Structure seekers. The open-ended nature can feel overwhelming for those who thrive on predefined structures. There's no single best project management tool. The ideal fit depends on your specific needs, team size, and budget. Asana is a great starting point, but if you find yourself yearning for more flexibility, visual appeal, or powerful features, don't be afraid to explore other options. The key is to find a tool that empowers you and your team to be productive, organized, and, dare we say, excited about getting things done. So, ditch the to-don't list and embrace the power of the perfect project management match. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.